The Smith & Wesson SWA24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
This is the LMF2. When you're looking for a fixed blade knife, LMF2 is where it's at. Drop point blade, serrated edge, really thick, ergonomic to your hand, spike pommel. The LMF2 was originally designed to get aircrew out of a downed aircraft by cutting their way out or breaking their way out. Non-conductive handle, if you've got to cut wires, it's not going to electrocute you. Designed with 3 holes so that you can create a lashing and actually create a spear with it. I'll tell you what, this was coming at you, you're in trouble. It wouldn't be right to have a heavy-duty knife without a heavy-duty sheath. This sheath right here has MOLLE attachments for your vest, belt loop to put on your belt. Knife comes in and out both ways. Even comes with a sharpener. So if you're in the field, your knife gets dull, get it sharp, get right back on task. Made in America, right here in Portland, Oregon. This is the LMF2.
This is the Schrade SCHF27X Extreme Survival Knife, a versatile knife with the superior strength of a full tang. The SCHF27 bristles with capability, making it a knife of choice for outdoor enthusiasts prepared to face the rigors of wilderness survival. The 6.6-inch drop point blade comes shaving sharp. Pierce, slice, and chop with a fine edge. Constructed using high-carbon 8CR13 Movi stainless steel, it's strong enough to baton kindling, and the titanium coating increases edge retention and corrosion resistance. Use the cutout in the spine to scrape fatwood for fire-starting material. Generate sparks by using the cutout as a striker against a ferro rod. Grip the black TPE handle, even under challenging conditions, with the underside finger contours, thumb rest, and blade guard. It affords a sure grip. Choke up to take advantage of the finger choil and cutout for controlled cutting. Pull the spring-loaded pin in the handle to deploy the SCHF27's titanium-coated pry tool. Features of the tool include a gut hook, screwdriver, and 1/4-inch hex wrench. Use the ring as a tether option. Remove the mechanism to use the handle's butt as a crushing tool. Slide the nylon-filled glass fiber sheath over your belt, or take advantage of the multiple grommets and slots to lash the knife to gear or garb. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF27 Extreme Survival Knife.